How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troit's here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Biscuits from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video is suggested by one of my long-time subscribers, Days77 Gaming. Thank you, Days77, for this video recommendation. This is for you and everyone else around the world. And if you have a video recommendation, leave it in the comment section down below. If it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it and give you credit right in that video. All right, Keto Biscuits. Let me show you how to make these right now. All right, let's start off with our dry ingredients. A half cup of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of arrowroot starch, and a pinch of salt. And mix until combined. Now to add the wet ingredients. A 1/4 cup of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 egg. And mix until combined. Alright, now let's transfer this dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. We have our pan lined with parchment paper. And let's place the dough onto the pan. Alright, and just on the top, we're just going to brush the tops with a little bit of melted butter. Alright, now to place these biscuits into the oven, preheating at 375 degrees for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, 13 minutes later. Now for a taste test. All right, Keto Biscuits. I can't wait to try these. They look incredible. Now for a taste test. Tastes like real biscuits. That's really good. The taste is really spot on. The texture is second to none. This is great. Those Keto Biscuits were absolutely delicious. And feel free to slice them in half and put some butter in between. Forget it, you got some Keto Biscuits. With only 2 net carbs each, you can't go wrong. Thank you, Days77, for that video recommendation. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 recipes I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am completely sure you're going to enjoy those. On to the next recipe. Matt Troit signing out.